Have you ever wondered how plants eat or breathe? It's a fascinating process that involves different parts of a plant, each with a unique function. Today, we're going to explore these parts and their roles in helping plants survive and thrive. Imagine a big tree in a forest or a small flower in your backyard. Regardless of their size, all plants share some common parts. The main parts we're going to talk about are the root, the stem, the leaf, and the flower. First up are the roots. Roots are like the plant's anchors. They keep the plant firmly attached to the ground, but that's not all they do. Roots also act like straws, drinking up water and nutrients from the soil. This nourishment helps the plant grow and stay healthy. Next we have the stem. Picture the stem as a plant's elevator. It carries the water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves. The stem also provides support, helping the plant to stand tall and reach for the sunlight. Now let's talk about leaves. Leaves are the plant's kitchen. They take in sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air, and with the help of water, they cook up food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. Last but not least, we have the flowers. Flowers are the plant's advertising team. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies with their bright colors and sweet nectar. When these pollinators visit, they help the plant reproduce by transferring pollen from one flower to another. So, there you have it, the different parts of a plant and their roles. The roots drink, the stem transports, the leaves cook, and the flowers advertise. Each part has a unique and important job, helping the plant to grow, produce food, and reproduce. Remember, just like in a team, every part of a plant is crucial for its survival. Without one, the other parts may not function as well. So next time you see a plant, take a moment to appreciate all the work its parts are doing to keep it alive and healthy. And that's it for today's exploration of plant parts and their functions. It's amazing how every part of a plant has a special role, isn't it? Just like each one of us, every part of a plant contributes to the whole. So every time you water a plant or take a walk in the park, remember the incredible journey of water, nutrients, and sunlight that makes every plant around us grow and thrive. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.